What do you do?
Work in a sheet metal shop.
Listen to the applause at the mention of San Diego, will you? What'd you say you do?
I work in a sheet metal shop.
And you see Price is Right occasionally?
Whenever I can get out of work.
Don't we all? Okay, let's show them the next item up for bids. I think it's on the train.
And it's a microwave oven. Samsung's versatile 1.25 cubic foot programmable microwave oven with touch control and 4 cooking stages. Quality, technology, and service in fine electronics from Samsung. And to the winner of this microwave goes an assortment of trim borders. Flare trim decorative borders for painted walls. Now you can turn any painted room into a showcase inexpensively.
Daniel, what do you bid on that? $415. Margie?
$515.
$515. Teresa?
$250.
$250, and Pamela says
$516.
$516. I say the actual retail price is $450. The winner is Daniel. Daniel is about to play a pricing game. That's what Daniel is about to do. Right over here. Now, Daniel, I am hopeful of giving you this.
A new sofa, chair, and ottoman. From Null Furniture, a 3-piece contemporary living room group with hand-tied frames, luxurious seating, and durable whole-pin fabrics. Quality furniture by Null.
And we are about to play Squeeze Play. May we have that game around here? Here it comes, and I am going to point out that this first number here, that 1, is the first number in the price of that prize, and that 6 down there is the last number in the price of that prize. Now, you are to tell me whether I should remove the 6, the 4, or the 2. I'll take it out. The remaining numbers will squeeze together. If that's the price, you own the furniture.
The 2.
The 2 is gone. He believes that price is $1,646, and I do indeed hope that he is right. And he is right.